Today we are very busy. We have some new model of pond harvester for loading in the Tianjin Port. And this model is the new model 4YZP2C. This is the new one, and it have a very good marking in here. You can see those containers all need transport to other countries. This is the new model. They have a lot of new technicals on that. The hider is the new one, and under the hider there is the chopper system. It is can use to chop the corn stalk instead of the big chopper under the body, so the weight is tightly. And they have a new engine, new cleaning system, make it used very well. So in the future, if you need it, please contact us. Thank you, all of you.